Alright, me and Kenny are going to do a double bike check. And first off, we're dedicating all our Shadow parts to Pat because he loves Shadow so much. Alright, my frame, United Recruit RN2.
Got a Federal Washington frame with an integrated seat post in the top tube. Pretty sweet. Look.
I'll start out with my front end like every other bike check. Colt leader bars, 29 wide. Got the Colt Vans grips, Odyssey par ends. Stem, just stock stem, but I got some hollow stem bolts. Me and Kenny swap colors, looks nice. My spacers, I got the Rasta combination going on. Stock headset bearings, forks, Fit Shiv 2s, front rims just stock, G Sport hub guard, United slim pegs, front tire. I got the Animal GLH, just got it, I really like it, looks nice.
I got Federal AC bars up top with Shadow 13 grips, some Animal bar ends. Stem, I got a Shadow Ravager with some hollow stem bolts. My spacers, I got off of Randy.
I stole them off a kid.
With the Odyssey headset. Down to my forks, I got some premium FYB forks, reppin' Carhartt. The front rim is a Odyssey Quadrant laced to a Shadow Rant hub with a tiny ass Shadow hub guard and Shadow little ones pegs with a E-Clay Escape front tire.
For the middle section of my bike, Animal Hamilton metal pedals, sealed. If you like metal pedals, these are pretty sick. I like them. Crank arms, stock. Bottom bracket, stock. They're holding up, so I'm not going to change it right yet. Sprocket, Shadow crank and bones. Chain, KMC 410H chain. 25:9 ratio. Normal, nothing special about that. Seat, Shadow, one-piece seat. Snafu seat clamp.
Moving on to the guts of my bike, I got Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. They're like the best pedals I ever rode. Primo hollow bike cranks with an Odyssey bottom bracket. I got an Odyssey MDS sprocket with a mechanic half-track chain. Pretty good so far. My seat, I got a Demolition DFAT with a kink seat post, pivotal.
To the ass end of my bike, I got a Primo bounce rim laced to a Remix hub. It's pretty loud. I'll probably throw the hub sounds in at the end of the video. Backhoe guard, same as the front. G Sport pegs the same. Tire, another Animal, but this one's an ASM. It's a little bit smaller than the front one. Works out nice.
The rear of my bike, I have an Odyssey Hazard Light rim laced to a Profile mini hub. Pretty loud. I got a Profile hub guard with another Shadow peg in the back. My tire is an Animal Tom Whitewall. Pretty sweet.
I think that's about it for the bikes. I'll do the hub sounds. This is my Primo Remix. Moving on to Kenny's Profile Mini. I'd say that's about it on our bikes.